You know what?
We can put the lights in.
Tell me what the crayons are doing, Ryan.
Mom,
Yeah.
the crayons are melting.
Wow. Let me see them. Whoa, look. The crayons are melting.
Let me.
See it? We're getting it on tape.
We're getting it. The hang of
Isn't it pretty cool? The crayon machine?
Yeah.
You love it? Do you like playing with the crayon machine?
Yeah.
It's your favorite?
Mom, look. The white is not melting.
Oh, the white is not melting? Oh, man.
Oh my goodness.
That's okay. Maybe it'll melt. Maybe it just takes a little bit longer. They're not all melted yet.
Not yet.
Today's May 25th,
Mom.
2012. It's Friday.
Put the red one next to this white one.
Well, remember, we can't open it now. See? It's locked. Because it's very hot in there. Okay?
Hot. Hot.
Very hot.
Hot. Very, very hot. As the light turns off, that will make a shirt to put more in there. Okay, Mommy?
Okay. Hold on. We don't want you to fall.